Okay.
Yes, sir. Wait lang po, sir.
Okay. Is it open already? Magkapit-bahay lang tayo, guys. Neighbors. We're neighbors. What's... We're neighbors. Yeah. We're gonna shout, "What's up, Pilipinas?" all throughout the night.
Hey, neighbor! Hey, neighbor!
Oh, you're the noisy one. Oh, there's 4 beds. Apat lang pala yung beds eh. Pwede natin hihilahin siya na rito. Si...
Bali, may intercom po tayo, sir, sa loob lang. Kung gusto niyo po magpatawag ng service, kung magpunta ng restaurant, sir.
Ready na raw yung dinner.
Cold outside.
Ready na agad ang dinner?
Turn off.
Very cold. This one, other.
Please.
Okay.
Oh, same places, same places.
No, this is different. We had a bigger room back then.
So Nathan coming?
You can invite Nathan to come here.
Only 3 of us.
Oh, 2 beds, 3 people.
That means we can invite somebody else.
You want
What,
to again?
so what time we will be? Oh, he's coming to dinner.
We'll
8 p.m. You should leave here 7:50.
the massage.
The massage will be 9 p.m.
Alright. Okay.
So we will be
we'll have
having
a
dinner
now.
for 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Massage is 9 p.m. to 10
Oh
p.m.
no. So, you have to...
Very good, man.
Yeah.
Oh, do it again, do it again.
Yeah, it's okay.
And then kayo dalawa naman.
What's
Oh.
up, Pilipinas?
Again, di ko nakuha.
What's up, Pilipinas?
Happy.
See you guys 8 p.m.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Thanks.
And
Okay.
I chose the best girls for the massage.
Huh? Really? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Best because...
So, when I went to Vietnam, the guy told me there was one. So what's called? Oh, one foreign guy. Okay. Where is he from? Oh, I'm not England. Another one.
How did you choose
He got
that?
a long. He told me. The priest told me.
Yeah.
They choose every time when you come here, lady with the long leg.
Oh.
Father, it's recorded. This guy.
Irish guy. His name was Andrew.